So it's Naila Morris again, your realtor here in the upstate area of South Carolina. I was just driving back to the city, thinking about the value of having an open house when you have a home that's listed on the market for sale. Open houses are so important because it's an opportunity for you as the seller to showcase that home, right? To showcase that home, to open it up to the public and give them an opportunity to walk through the home, right? And to identify if it will work for them and their families. It also gives the community the awareness that the home is for sale. So if they know someone that may be interested, they can invite them to the open house. It's also great for buyers that are, that may be just browsing and they want to talk to a realtor or a real estate agent on site. That happens at the open house, right? So it's extremely valuable. It's a very, very important strategic tool to help sell the home and to help sell the home in a timely fashion. So I wanted to just share that tidbit with everybody. If you are in the market, you want to list your home, feel free to give me a call. My number is 864-525-0110. I'm happy to walk through the process with you and share my strategic plan, my marketing plan with you as the seller. Buyers, if you'd like a private showing before Saturday's open house, 41010 Meehan Way in Pendleton, South Carolina, you give me a call, right? I'm happy to schedule that tour for you and walk alongside you throughout your purchasing process. My number again is 864-525-0110. Everybody have a great rest of your day.